Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today I am finally going to be installing a newer, bigger, nicer rear lip spoiler on my BMW F10 535i. So let's get right into it. That's right, a brand new lip spoiler for my BMW F10 535i. You can see right now, the car looks pretty aggressive from the side. I need to change maybe something around here, these areas, right? And it looks pretty good. Everything's looking pretty good. The car is really definitely coming together, of course. Now, like I said, with the wheels, the gold calipers and everything, it looks absolutely amazing. Back here, there's not much going on except for the diffuser. You can see the diffuser here, nice and aggressive, very good looking. I absolutely love it. But you can see up top, it's kind of lacking. It's not very matchy with the aggression that this car is showing right now. And it's splotchy. The sun is absolutely ripping this thing apart. So I believe it was high time to change this thing out for something a little bigger, a little more aggressive, because this is not really the lip that I wanted. My dad just bought it randomly and he was like, hey, check it out. And I was like, okay, well, let's put it on. It wasn't exactly the one that I wanted, but it served a great purpose. A little over a year that I've had that rear lip spoiler on. So I believe now it is time to take that one off and install this. This is a brand new rear lip spoiler that I got on Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. It was like 60 bucks. It was really not that bad at all. 60 or 70 bucks. It looks pretty good. I just hope it's not too big. Because yes, I do want something more aggressive for my car, but I don't want it to be ridiculously big and ridiculously aggressive. So I'm hoping that this is the right size. I hope. Let's see. Let's unbox it and see. Yeah, so while editing the video, I realized that the entire clip of me unboxing the spoiler is corrupted. It is completely corrupted. It just totally like died pretty much. So there's no unboxing. I apologize. I don't know why, I don't know how, but for some reason it's just the entire like 10-minute clip got shortened to like 1 second and it's unrepairable. So unfortunately, I don't have a real unboxing for y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try my best to show y'all maybe in like the next few clips what it looks like, but in editing right now, there's not much I can do because this video was filmed a while ago. So the best I can do is just show y'all the clips that I have. I apologize. It's very simple though. It's just a box. The spoiler came in with some wrapping. I took the wrapping off. It didn't bring any 3M double-sided tape, so I had to, you know, go buy some. I put it on and I'm removing the spoiler, the OEM one, not the OEM, but the one that I had on right now. So let's just jump right into me removing the one that I had on. Again, I apologize for this. All right, so here's what I've done so far. I have removed the old lip you can see right there, and I've put 3M double-sided tape on the lip right here. You can see because it didn't bring it, obviously, you know, it's 60 bucks, it's not gonna bring 3M tape, but I put it on, it looks good, and now I'm ready to mock it up and see where it's gonna land, because obviously I want it to be perfectly center, perfectly straight, perfectly in the center, and I want it to stay on well, obviously, right? So also, I apologize for the cloudiness in the lens. It's so humid right now, and my phone was into the air conditioning, so it's kind of fighting for itself. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and mock this up, put some masking tape where I think it's gonna look good, and then peel the 3M off and stick it on. Well, that looks like it's it, honestly. I mean, it's on. I pressed down on it for like a good 10 minutes, just going round and round, pressing down on it, putting my full weight on it. I used actual 3M brand double-sided tape, so no knockoff, you know, 3M tape. This is actual 3M, so I'm fairly confident in its ability to hold on to it, but it looks absolutely amazing. Take a look. Way more aggressive, absolutely more aggressive. Just what I wanted. Of course, you can see it with the wheels here, just perfectly matching. I mean, oh my gosh, this is looking absolutely amazing. Beautiful shape. I really like the shape of this spoiler. You can see it kicks back, but not too far, not too much. Really a big fan of it. And like I said, the 3M tape is going to hold on. Knock on wood. There's wood knocking on it in the video. There, it stays on. I mean, it looks great. Like I said, I got this one because I love the kick-up style. Ignore the tripod. Because I love the kick-up style without it being too sharp and aggressive. Because like I said, the F10 is not as aggressive as you can see like an F83 or something, an M4, an M3, or an M5, but it looks absolutely amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. Definitely complements the diffuser so much. I mean, this car seriously looks so aggressive now from the rear, finally. And now the front is going to look a little more aggressive in the future. You'll see why in a video or two. in the future. And obviously the only way to find out when that video drops is to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when that video drops, and all other future videos about this car, the Mini, and the M4. A lot of content is coming. Honestly, as for this, not much else to say other than it just looks fantastic. I love it. Really easy install, honestly. I was surprised at how easy it was to remove the old one. Well, actually removing the old one was a pain, but putting the new one on, very easy. You gotta have 3M tape if you buy this exact same one, because, you know, you win some, you lose some, you pay 60 bucks or 70 bucks, whatever. You're not gonna get 3M tape, right? So supply your own if you do buy this one. I'll put a link to this in the description. It may not last though. That's the thing, it may not last, as most of the parts that I've put in the description for my videos, they don't last very long because everybody goes and clicks on them immediately. But grab yourself one of these. I mean, I'm really pleased with it. I love how it looks. And I haven't seen too many F10s on the road with this exact style lip. I love it. I might not even be able to call it a lip anymore. This might be like a spoiler. Not a wing, obviously, but a spoiler. I think it looks amazing. Get this, get out of here. But yeah, I love it. I don't think it's gonna have performance impacts. Obviously, it's just for aesthetics. But aesthetic-wise, like I said, fantastic. Absolutely love it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Not much else to say. Just, you know, installing and looking at a rear lip spoiler. You know, something very simple, very fun, very easy. Definitely check this out. See if you can get yourself one of these. But other than that, that's about it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.